again one term. One term.
Kuma kuhagurwo kuria wari munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua, kaunti ya Embu ikoretwo ikiamukira ateti aria megiritanagia na thirikari na maruru o nginya ndumiriri ya president gukorwo ikiagirwo kiene. Ni uteti ukoretwo ugithegea kwa ihinda riu, na riu nirironeka taritete guamu governor Cecily Mbarire ururirukagia federa ya UDA ta muikirigiti wake bururi ni akaite na togukaya amuru ni akujite shati kugethana na ateti anene thirikari-ini aria ugite ni maramufangira.
Those officers from Nairobi who are coming to Embu to hold night meetings to fight elected leaders na wana heshima na wanajifanya wanaelewa siasa ya Embu kutuliko sisi. When we are working round the clock to fight for this government, tunaambia wakome.
Akiaria cukuru-ini wa Makima Mbere South hindi ya ukungwiri wa mambura ma madaraka ma 62, Cecily ahithuritie ati ni gukoretwo na micemanio ya andu makaunti-ini ino atekumenyithio na riu ni gukinya muthia.
Na wakiendelea I'll mention them. Na niwaambie hivi, mimi ni wa before, nimekuwa katika siasa miaka mingi. Msiniletee, otherwise I will talk.
Uge wa Mbarire riu ni dariri ati kuna urugari wa uteti ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza uri iguru, na riu hatiri undu tangaja uteti wa kirima he handu urongoreirie.
Huyu jamaa angate wetu kakwingurania Mutharaka, Mumbere na Embu angate tutikendo kimwe kwi mundu kamuretera thina yake athamo muthikiririe ni mukunyitirira Professor Kithure Kindiki Moniaina Njara.
Wewe unatumika vibaya na serikali. Watu yako wananyanyasa, wakilia unakuja kuwasomea. Unakuja kuambia shame on you. Sasa wao wameona your incompetence pia kwa serikali, you are not delivering. Sasa you are damned if you do and you are damned if you don't.
Kuma gicajama giki kiahanika na kiria giacokire gucungirira uria wari munene wa watho Justin Muturi gufutwo. Munini wa president Kithure Kindiki akoretwo agithonjera Mbarire ni kuremwo guthimida uge wa UDA akihuthira hinya wake ta muikari giti.
Nisome nisisome, nimesikia kura hiyo ya makelele. Yeah?
You are a UDA governor and the national chairman of the ruling party. Your party leader, the president, comes to your hometown and is heckled. What reason do we have to have you on board as a...
Wagatano munini wa president Professor Kithure Kindiki uria uroneka tari gatagati-ini ka ndugamano ino ni athire kaunti-ini ya Embu icera-ini ria kumurika ugiteri, no mugaru na icera ringi ria gikiro giki Governor Mbarire ndari mucemanio uyu riboti cia kwihokeka ikiuga ona ndamenyaga ciwigi na uria wariho, no senator wa kaunti ino Alexander Mudigi uria onake utahirwo mweke wa kwaria.
Waende wasiende, waende wasiende. Wangapi wanasema wakora waende.
Mbarire ndakoretwo akioneka magongona-ini ma githirikari ica ikuhĩ harĩ mahoya ma kĩbũrũri kũrĩa ona kuo atekinyirie. Gũkĩrĩ o ũguo atongoria a UDA matũra-inĩ Embu mweri mũhĩtũku nĩ manĩrĩire gũtiganĩria kĩama gĩkĩ.
We have made several attempts to reach out to the governor, but she has no time for us. Just like she has no time for the people of Embu, even these leaders. She has no time for them, she has no respect for them, and therefore our stay in UDA is no longer tenable.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.